This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Susan Golay. Charming gated country home on quiet dead-end street in waking distance to miles of pristine beach, 3-bed 2-bath, open floor plan, living and formal dining rooms, spacious open kitchen, large master suite, flat open quarter-acre room for toys fenced and gated west privacy hedges. Sunny location perfect for gardening year-round. Glassed-in solarium, garden shed west mature garden, home exterior needs work selling as is but the interior is lovely and move-in ready. Owner present, appointment only. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Golay at 541-247-6612.